Alright, about to install the new Camoplast All-terrain skis with the Polaris mounting kit on my 99 Indy Trail Touring. Got the all-terrain ski mounting kit, which comes with this particular kit. Actually came with some carbides too. So slide in the rubber stop. The bushings are already installed inside of the blow mold ski. In with the bolt, got 2 washers on, 2 more washers for the far side, and a nylon lock nut. Just kind of line everything up. It's in. Obviously I'll tighten that down. So that's Camoplast All-terrain versus the stock ski it came. Pretty simple. Getting off the original ski was the hard part.